Welcome to the Mastercam 2019 Lathe Video Training Series tutorial number 5. In this tutorial, we will create the 2D geometry needed to create the tool paths. We will create the upper profile of the part. Create line will be used to make the outside profile of the part. We will use the relief groove command to help in creating a groove tool path. We will face the part, then rough and finish the part from both sides. We will drill the part halfway from both sides. Grooving and threading tool paths will be created to machine the relief grooves and machine the threads. A stock flip operation will be created to flip the stock to a specified location in the chuck. Backplot and verify will be used to simulate a step-by-step process of the tool's movements. Finally, we will post-process the file to obtain an NC file containing the necessary code for the machine. First, select Machine, and then choose Lathe Default. Select Planes, and choose +D+Z for the C and T plane. Select Wireframe, then select Line Endpoints. Enter the length as 0.25 and the angle as 90 and press Enter. Then select the origin. Press OK and create new operation. Enter the length as 0.75 and the angle as 180 and press Enter. Then select this endpoint. Press OK and create new operation. Set the length as 0.1875 and press Enter. And the angle to 90. Then select this endpoint. Press OK and create new operation. Set the length to 0.25 and the angle to 180 and press Enter. Then select this endpoint. Press OK and create new operation. Change the length to 0.125 and the angle to 270 and press Enter. Then select this endpoint. Press OK and create new operation. Enter the length as 0.625 and the angle as 180 and press Enter. Then select this endpoint. Press OK and create new operation. Enter the length as 0.1125 and the angle as 270 and press Enter. Then select this endpoint. Press OK and create new operation. Set the length as 0.2 and the angle as 180 and press Enter. Then select this endpoint. Press OK and create new operation. Enter the length as 0.05 and the angle as 90 and press Enter. Select this endpoint. Press OK and create new operation. Set the length as 0.5 and the angle as 180 and press Enter. Select this endpoint. Then press OK and create new operation. Set the length to 0.125 and the angle to 90 and press Enter. Then select the fast point icon. Enter the coordinates as 0, minus 2.325 and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. Select Arc Tangent. Change the method to Arc Dynamic. Select the first entity here, and then select this endpoint. Then select this endpoint. Press OK to exit the command. Delete this line. Next, we'll create relief grooves. The relief groove command will create geometry based on the thread size and orientation information you provide. Thread relief grooves provide clearance for threading tools to retract at the end of the cut and relieve stress concentrations at the end of the part to make the part stronger. Select Relief Groove. Make sure OD thread is the shape, and click on Select from Table. Select the 1/2-13 UNC thread. Press OK. Make sure Create Geometry In is set to +X. Make sure Trim Break Horizontal or Vertical Lines is set to None. Make sure this is the Z position, and enter -0.75. Shape determines what type of relief groove you would like to create. You can select OD or ID thread relief grooves or shoulder on shaft types. Orientation establishes where on the x-axis you would like to create the geometry or the direction the geometry is created in. Trim Break Horizontal or Vertical Lines allows you to either trim or break the geometry the groove is created with, or you can select None to make no trimming or breaking changes. Position tells Mastercam where the relief groove will be created. You can also specify the Z position of the front of the relief groove or the back by selecting one of the geometry entities. Press OK. Select Relief Groove again. Make sure OD thread is selected and click on Select from Table. Select the 5/8-18 UNF thread. And press OK. Enable Shoulder on Right, +X. Make sure None is selected. Select this option and change the Z position to -1. Then press OK. Next, we will chamfer the part. Select Chamfer Entities. Make sure the method is set to 1 distance and set distance 1 to 0.03125. Select this entity and then this entity. Select this entity and then this one. Press OK to exit the command. Next, save your file. Click on Save As, give it a name, and press Save.